Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர்னா அட்டாமிக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஃப்ரம் 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 1லேருந்து ஃபிசிக்ஸ் லேர்னிங் ஆப்ஜெக்டிவ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஆஃப் an atom படிக்க போகிறோம். பொசிஷன் ஆஃப் தி சப்அட்டாமிக் பார்ட்டிக்கல், understand and compare the properties of subatomic particles, to understand the term atomic number and mass number, to calculate the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in an atom from the symbol of the periodic table, understand the term valency. Introduction. In the last chapter we have studied anything around us in matter and is made up of molecules. The molecules are combination of atoms of different elements or the same element. How small is an atom? Atom எவ்வளோ சின்னதாக இருக்குது? An atom is 1,000 times smaller than the thickest human hair. It has an average diameter of 0.1 m or 1 into 10 minus 9 m. To understand atom size with the familiar things we know, now let us find out what is the size of the pencil, red blood cells, virus and dust particle. பென்சிலுக்கு வந்து 1 into 10 minus 2 m, red blood cells 1 into 10 minus 4 m, virus 1 into 10 minus 6 m, dust particles 1 into 10 minus 7 and 1 into 10 minus 10 m. Now you could imagine how small an atom is. Evaluation of idea of an atom. Many scientists have studied the structure of the atom and advanced their theories about it. The theories proposed by Dalton, Thomson and Rutherford are given below. எப்படி டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சியில் கொஷின் கேட்பாங்கன்னா அட்டாமிக் தியரி யார் கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க, எந்த இயர் கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க, ஷேப் என்ன, அதை பற்றி தான் கேட்பாங்க. வாங்க டீட்டெயிலாக பார்க்கலாம். டால்டன்ஸ் அட்டாமிக் தியரி. John Dalton proposed the atomic theory in the year 1808. He proposed that matter consists of very small particles which he named atoms. An atom is smallest indivisible particle. It is spherical in shape. His theory does not propose anything that the positive and negative charges of an atom. Do you know, nanometer is the smallest unit used to measure small lengths. 1 meter is equal to 1 into 10 power of minus 9 nm or 1 nanometer is equal to 1 into 10 power of minus 9 m. பென்சிலுக்கு நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொடுத்தது இங்கே டீட்டெயிலாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. பென்சிலுக்கு 1 into 10 minus 2 m, ரெட் பிளட் செல்ஸ் 1 into 10 minus 4 m, வைரஸ் 1 into 10 minus 6 m, டஸ்ட் பார்ட்டிகல் 1 into 10 minus power 10 minus 7 m, ஆட்டம் 1 into 10 minus 10 m. இது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், டீட்டெயிலாக பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Thomson theory. In 1897, J.J. Thomson proposed a different theory. He compared an atom to a watermelon. His theory proposed that the atom has positively charged part like the red part of the watermelon, and in it are embedded like the seeds negatively charged particles which he called electrons. According to this theory, as the positive and negative charge are equal, the atom as a whole does not have any resultant charge. Thomson's greatest contribution was to prove by experimentation the existence of the negatively charged particles or electrons in an atom. For this discovery, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1906. ரொம்ப important. Although this theory explained why an atom is neutral, it was an incomplete theory in other ways. Rutherford's theory. There was shortcoming in Thomson's theory. Ernest Rutherford gave a better understanding. Ernest Rutherford conducted an experiment. He bombarded a very thin layer of gold with positively charged alpha rays. He found that most of these rays, which travel at a great velocity, pass through the gold sheet without encountering any obstacles. A few were, however, turned back from the sheet. Rutherford considering this remarkable and miraculous, as if a bullet had turned back after colliding with tissue paper. Based on this experiment, Rutherford proposed his famous theory in his opinion. The fact that almost alpha particles pass through the gold sheet means that the atom consists mainly on empty space. The part from which the positively charged particles are turned back is positively charged but very small in size as compared to the empty space. From these interferences, Rutherford presented his theory of the structure of atoms. For this theory, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry. இங்கே பிக்சர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நெகட்டிவ்லி சார்ஜ் எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் எம்டி ஸ்பேஸில் எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது அண்ட் பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ் நியூக்ளியஸ். Rutherford's theory proposes that the nucleus at the center of the atom has a positive charge. Most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. The negatively charged electrons revolve around the nucleus in specific orbits. In comparison with the size of an atom, the nucleus is very small. Stages of discovery of the constitution of an atom. Hard and solid sphere, year 1808 கண்டுபிடிச்ச Dalton's model. Positive charge and negatively charged electrons, year Thomson model. Negatively charged electrons, empty space, positively charged nucleus, year 1977, Rutherford's model. Evaluation of the atomic structure from the 5 elements. Dalton theory வந்து 1803, J.J. Thomson theory 1904, Rutherford's theory, the nucleus 1911, 1913, Bohr theory, the energy levels, Schrödinger theory, electron cloud model வந்து 1926. Do you know you have around 7 billion atoms in your body, yet you replace about 98% of them every year? The subatomic particles. The discoveries made during the 20th century prove that atoms of an element are made up of smaller components, electron, proton and neutron. An electron from hydrogen atom is no different from electron of a carbon atom. The same manner, protons and neutrons of all elements also have characteristics. These particles that make up the atom are called subatomic particles. Atoms divide பண்ணிருக்காங்க electrons, protons and neutrons. What is meant by proton? Proton எப்படி denote பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா P. The proton is a positively charged particle and it is located in the nucleus. Its positive charge is of the same magnitude as that of the electron's negative charge. Neutron, denoted as N. Neutron is inside the nucleus. The neutron does not have any charge excepting hydrogen, protium. The nuclei of all atoms contain neutrons. Electron, denoted as E. This is a negatively charged particles. Electrons revolve around the nucleus of the atom in specific orbits. The mass of an electron is negligible as compared to that of a proton or neutron. Hence, the mass of an atom depends on the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Protons and neutrons are the two ways of particles in the nucleus of an atom. They are called nucleons. The total negative charge of all electrons outside the nucleus is equal to the total positive charge in the nucleus. That makes the atom electrically neutral. Charge and mass of the subatomic particles. Particle discover, symbol, charge and mass கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. கண்டிப்பாக டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 4லாம் வந்து இது அடிக்கடி கேட்குறது தான். ப்ரோட்டான் வந்து டிஸ்கவர் பண்ணது எர்னஸ்ட் ருதர்ஃபோர்ட், சிம்பிள் பி, சார்ஜ் +1, 1 × 6726 × 10⁻⁻27. Electron, Sir John Joseph Thomson, symbol E, -1, 9.1093 × 10⁻⁻31. Neutron, James Chadwick, symbol N, charge 0, 1.6749 × 10⁻⁻27. Atomic number and mass number. If all atoms are made up of same type of electrons, protons and neutrons, how does a carbon atom differ from an iron atom? Further investigation led to the discovery that the number of the protons inside the nucleus of an atom determines what element it is. For example, if the nucleus has only one proton, then all such atoms are hydrogen atom. If there are 8 protons, then that atom is oxygen. Is the structure of the atom the same as the structure of the solar system? Yes, it is similar to the solar system. It is a core center called nucleus and it has parts called orbits around the nucleus. Atom number denoted as Z. The number of electrons or protons in an atom is called the atomic number. Of that atom, it is represented by the letter Z. If we know the atomic number of an atom, we know the number of electrons or protons in it. Hydrogen, helium and oxygen. Look at the figures. The hydrogen nucleus has one proton around which revolves one electron. It means that its atomic number is equal to 1. In the helium atom, there are 2 protons and 2 electrons in orbit around the nucleus. So the atomic number of helium is equal to 2. Mass number or atomic mass. We have seen that the mass of an atom is concentrated in its nucleus. From this, we can get the atomic mass number. Mass number A is equal to the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Atomic mass or mass number equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Atomic number equal to P plus N. A lithium atom contains 3 protons and 4 neutrons. Its atomic mass number is A equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7. In a sodium atom, there are 11 protons and 12 neutrons, hence its atomic number A equal to P plus N, 11 plus 12 equal to 23. When writing the symbol of an element, its atomic number and atomic mass number are also written. For example, the symbols of hydrogen, carbon and oxygen are written as 1 H power of 1, 6 C power of 12, 8 O power of 16 respectively. All the elements in the periodic table have the following combination of protons, electrons and neutrons. Elements, symbol, number of proton, electron and neutron. Carbon 6 C of power 12, 6 P, 6 E and 6 N. Beryllium 4 Be power of 12, 4 P, 4 E, 5 N. Nitrogen 7 Be power of 14, 7 P, 7 E, 7 N. Boron 5 of P of power of 11, 5 P, 5 E and 6 N. Isotopes. Atoms of the same element can have different number of neutrons. Such atoms will have same atomic number but different mass number. These atoms are called isotopes. For examples, hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Hydrogen 1 H of power of 1, deuterium 1 H of power of 2, tritium 1 H of power of 3. Isobars. Atoms that have the same mass number but different atomic number. For example, calcium 40 and argon 40. Elements and their symbols with their atomic number and mass number. Elements, symbols, atomic number, protons, neutrons, mass number. P plus N. Hydrogen H, atomic number 1. Protons P, neutrons N. How we calculate? P plus N. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Helium. Symbol He, atomic number 2. Protons 2, neutrons 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Aluminium A11, 13, 1 3. Neutrons 14. 13 plus 14 equal to 27. Oxygen O 8, 8, 8. 8 plus 8 16. Sodium denoted as Na 11, 11. Protons 11, neutrons 12. Mass number equal to 11 plus 12 equal to 23. இங்கே பீரியாடிக் டேபிள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஹைட்ரஜன் atomic number 1, atomic mass 1, proton 1, neutron 0, electrons 1. Helium atomic number 2, atomic mass 4, protons 2, neutrons 2, electrons 2. Lithium atomic number 3, atomic mass 7, protons 3, neutrons 4, electrons 3. Beryllium atomic number 4, atomic mass 9, protons 4, neutrons 5, electrons 4. Boron, atomic number 5, atomic mass 11, protons 5, neutrons 6, electrons 5. Carbon, atomic number 6, atomic mass 12, protons 6, neutrons 6, electrons 6. Nitrogen, atomic number 7, atomic mass 14, protons 7, neutrons 7, electrons 7. Oxygen, atomic number 8, atomic mass 16, protons 8, neutrons 8, electrons 8. Fluorine is used in paste. Atomic number 9, atomic mass 19, protons 9, neutrons 10, electrons 9. Neon, atomic number 10, atomic mass 20, protons 10, neutrons 10, electrons 10. Neon. Sodium, atomic number 11, atomic mass 23, protons 7, neutrons 12, electrons 11. Magnesium, atomic number 12, atomic mass 24, protons 12, neutrons 12, electrons 12. Aluminium, atomic number 13, atomic mass 27, protons 13, neutrons 14, electrons 13. Silicon, atomic number 14, atomic mass 28, protons 14, neutrons 14, electrons 14. Phosphorus, atomic number 15, atomic mass 31, protons 15, neutrons 16, electrons 15. Sulfur, atomic number 16, atomic mass 32, protons 16, neutrons 16, electrons 16. Chlorine, atomic number 17, atomic mass 35, protons 17, neutrons 18, electrons 17. Argon, atomic number 18, atomic mass 39, proton 19, neutrons 20, electron 19. Potassium, atomic number 19, atomic mass 39, protons 19, neutrons 20, and electrons 19. Calcium, atomic mass 20, atomic number 40, protons 20, neutron 20, electrons 20. Valency. Imagine there are various people having different pattern of hands. Some have no hands and some have one, some two and other three. Few have four and no one has more than four. The person with four hands can hold hands of four other at the same time, while the one with no hands can never hold any hand. In this manner, some atom can hold one electron, some can hold two, some can hold three, some can hold four, and some cannot hold any electron. This property is called valency. This combining property of an atom is called as valency. It is a measure of how many hydrogen atoms it can combine with. For example, oxygen can combine with two hydrogen atoms and create water molecule. The valency of oxygen atom is 2. In case of chlorine, it can combine with only one hydrogen to create HCl, hydrochloric acid. Here the valency of chlorine is 1. Methane has one carbon atom combining with 4 hydrogen atoms to form carbon molecule is methane. CH4. Can you guess the valency of carbon in methane? In ammonia molecule, nitrogen combines with 3 hydrogen atoms. What is the valency of nitrogen in ammonia? Valency is defined as the combining capacity of an element. Atoms of different elements combine with each other to form molecules. Valency determines the number of atoms of an element that combines with atom or atoms of another type. The element having valency 1 is called monovalent. For example, hydrogen and sodium. The elements having valency 2 are called divalent. For example, oxygen and beryllium. The elements having valency 3 are called trivalent. For example, nitrogen and aluminium. Some elements exhibit more than one valency. For example, iron combined with oxygen to form 2 types. Ferrous oxide exhibit valency and the ferric acid exhibits valency. However, we will study about them later. When atoms of different elements combine with each other, then molecules of compounds are formed. In these instances, it is necessary to know the valencies of those elements. For example, 2Na plus Cl2 equal to 2NaCl. Valency 1 plus 1. Here, the both sodium and chlorine are 1. Remember, the valency of element Na is 1. The valency of element Cl is 1. எப்படி denote பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா சோடியம்க்கு 1 தான் குளோரின், அதை நம்ம வந்து ரிமூவ் பண்ணிக்கணும். தென் த மாலிகுலர் ஃபார்முலா வில் பி சிம்பிள்ஸ் ஆஃப் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் NaCl மாலிகுலர் ஃபார்முலா radicals and ions 1 and 1 Mg. மெக்னீஷியத்துக்கு 2, கால்சியத்துக்கு 1, and the valence of magnesium is 2 and the Cl is 1. ஹைட்ரஜன் H கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அட்டாமிக் நம்பர் 1, மாஸ் நம்பரும் 1, வேலன்ஸ் 1. கார்பனுக்கு வந்து சிக்கு வந்து 6 அட்டாமிக் நம்பர் வரும், மாஸ் நம்பர் 12 வரும், 4, பவர் ஆஃப் 1 வரும், C612 அப்படின்னு வரும். ஆக்சிஜன் O, அட்டாமிக் நம்பர் 8, மாஸ் நம்பர் 16 and வேலன்சி 2. சோடியம் Na11 23 1, கால்சியம் Ca 20 40 2, valency. Points to remember: an atom is the smallest particle of a chemical element that retains its chemical property. They are very tiny compared to other particles. Atoms are too small to be seen by the naked eye or even through microscope. An atom consists mostly of empty space. Atoms of same elements are identical and different elements differ. An atom consists of a dense nucleus of positively charged protons and electrically neutral neutrons. The protons and neutrons are called nucleons. The protons, neutrons and electrons are denoted by P and E respectively. An atom is electrically neutral. Atoms contain equal number of protons and electrons. Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. The total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is the mass number. Valence is defined as the combining capacity of an element. Thank you. மறக்காமல் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இன்னும் நிறையா வீடியோஸ் வரப்போகுது, எக்ஸாம்ஸும் வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும், நிறைய யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ.